Okay, so in this video, I'm just going to give a brief demonstration on the use of Dragon Professional voice recognition software in the context of using this with a spreadsheet like Microsoft Excel. So here is a template log file that I have, and I can do things like light red, light green. So these are the commands that I have scripted myself. And again, we have repeated columns and rows of information that I use on a day-to-day basis. For your organization, you may have a similar log with different information, but the principle is the same. So without further ado, here's some data entry that I use. Numeral 25 January 2024, ATS student meeting. Numeral 1:30, Martin Murphy. Now all of the names here are fictitious. Today's date, ATS staff meeting. Michael Murphy. Numeral 27 January 2024, ATS. Undo that. ATS needs assessment. Undo that. ATS needs assessment. Peter Murphy. Light red. And so there you have it, the use of voice recognition, in particular Dragon Professional, to swiftly enter data into Excel file, or any other spreadsheet for that matter. And thank you for watching.